y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my meal plan for the month of June, and I was trying to have this up by the 1st of June, but that obviously didn't happen. So I am going to try to make this a really quick video for you guys just so you can see what we're eating during the month of June. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is my home binder and I did a video on this. I'll link it above, but it's where I keep all of our meal plans and other family stuff, so definitely go check that video out if you haven't watched it. And the first thing I have to do is just fill in the numbers on my month, and I'll leave these printables down below as well. They were all free, so I have a bunch of different ones that I use each month. And then I'm going to just start putting all of our events down so that way I know what kind of meals to plan for that day. So the weekend of the 9th, I'll be at a bachelorette party for my cousin, and so Chance will just have to fend for himself, and I'm sure that he'll do fine without me, but he'll just plan whatever meals he wants to eat with the kids. And then on the 16th, we have Kaysen's birthday party, and then the 20th through the 23rd, Chance and I will be gone for our anniversary. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary, so the kids will be with their grandparents, so we don't have to plan any dinners there. And then the last week of June, the kids have camp, so I'm going to make sure that we have pretty easy dinners for that week. Alright, and this is the sheet that I use to help me plan my meals. I have all of these different categories listed on there, and then on the back I have new meals that I would like to try that I found on Pinterest, and then I just kind of go through those as I'm planning. Also, the 15th is Kaysen's actual birthday, and we let them pick where they want to eat on their birthdays, so that'll be an out-to-eat night for him. And then you guys know we do pizza pretty much every Friday, so I'm just going to fill those in. And then we do Taco Tuesday every Tuesday, so I'll just fill that in there as well. And for Taco Tuesday, we do switch it up. Some weeks we do beef, some weeks we do chicken, and some weeks we do shrimp tacos. It just kind of depends on whatever we feel like, and I will shop for that when we are shopping for our 2 weeks at a time. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and start planning our meals, and on Saturdays we usually like to grill out. So the first Saturday we are going to do chicken kebabs, and then the second Saturday we're going to actually be, that'll be Chance doing whatever with the kids, and then we'll have leftovers after Kaysen's party, and it'll probably end up being pizza, and then the last Saturday we're going to do burgers. Alright, and then I am trying to plan some healthier meals this month. So on Sundays, we're going to be trying some different healthy meals. I found them on Pinterest, and they're like the keto diet. But I ended up putting ham and cheese, cauliflower casserole, and then I forgot we were actually doing dinner with his parents that night. So I put family night there because his dad's birthday dinner is that night. So we'll move that to the second Sunday for the ham and cauliflower casserole. Alright, and then the next Sunday we're going to do a chicken enchilada casserole, which I also found. It was a keto diet meal. And then the last Sunday we're going to be doing tomato, spinach, shrimp pasta, and it's another new meal that I want to try. And I'll link all of the recipes that I have down below that I found on Pinterest, just in case you guys would like to check those recipes out for yourself. Alright, and now we are moving on to Mondays, and on the first Monday we are going to do sheet pan chicken teriyaki. The second Tuesday we're going to do slow cooker pork chops, and probably pair that with like mashed potatoes and maybe asparagus or some other vegetable. And then the next Monday is going to be slow cooker chicken pot pie, and I'm hoping my kids will actually eat this one. And then for the last Monday, we're going to do zucchini ground beef lasagna. Alright, and then on Wednesdays, I try to do enough for us to have leftovers on Thursdays. So the first Wednesday, we are going to do Italian sausage and veggies. And then the next Wednesday, we're going to do balsamic chicken and roasted vegetables. The next Wednesday we will be on our anniversary trip, so then for the last Wednesday I just decided to go super easy and do breakfast for dinner, and we haven't done that in a while, so I think that'll be good. Alright, and then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in leftovers for all of our Thursday dinners. Alright, so that is our meal plan for June. And leave me a note in the comments if you have any questions, and also leave me a comment and let me know if there are any recipes that you would like to see us do as a cook and clean video or just a cooking video for you guys. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all!